Hello traders, welcome to Option Stack channel. Today a small mistake from me made me to take off my 5000 profit. So I could not record this video on the live market because I was busy doing the adjustment here and there. So I could not record everything. However, I haven't disturbed my options Opstra thing where we can go there and simulate what all I try to do. Overall, we are still in a positive day, but if you see this right, the 5000 here, this could have been our ultimate profit, but we lost that. We lost that due to small mistakes. We will try to replicate what mistakes we did it, and we can learn from this in the future. Okay. So let me open Opstra. Okay guys, if you would have seen my previous let's open Opstra. Okay guys, if you would have seen my previous video, this was my positions. It was clean and clear, no hectic, nothing. On the day end, see how my graph looks, clean and clear. So we were intact on our P&L, we were intact on our profit, but small things made us pay off our 5000 out of this, so we may end up somewhere around 7000 profit this week. Well, that is also a profit, decent profit. We'll accept the mistake and we'll take up whatever we did it. I'll go one by one what mistakes we did it, and let me go through this my order history and then replicate whatever we did it. So if you see this right, 17,600 and 17,700, I took this when market was falling. So if you would have seen this Nifty chart today, so guys, early morning, right, I did not do any adjustment till 10 o'clock. It was here, so 10 around 10:30. So one thing got confirmed is it will come and fill the gap. So that thing got confirmed to me. So what I did is I booked profit of I booked this profit which was on the CE side, 16,005 16 17,650 and 17,750. So we will replicate the same thing here. So at what price did we booked? We can check our order book here. So what I did is at 17,650 and 17,750, I booked this at this price, right? Let's go ahead and book this. Okay guys, I'm pulling this screen towards the other side so that it is easy for me to take the price. So what the first thing I did is I booked my profit at 750 and 650. So this is 650 and we booked this around 5 rupees 70 paise. Okay, so modified this. Okay, and I booked 650 and 750 and I booked at 3 rupees 10 paise. So all till here it was all good, traders, all went nice. I could have now the mistake that I started doing is I knew that market was falling. So what I did is I went and shorted. I took new position, that is 17,600 and 17,700. So let's see what I did it. So first what I did was, so till here I was running in good profit, traders, but later on it was a miserable day for me. So I could have just left it after booking because our probability of winning was very high. So we were anyways getting 10,000 profit. That was a decent enough to us. But look at what was the mistake that I did. Then you guys can stop doing that. So if you go to this option chain, so once I booked that, I started taking new position immediately. What I did is I took 17,600 and 17,700. So I sold 17,600. Okay, first how many? 500. So on average how much it will happen? Okay traders, what I did was I booked my previous positions and I started taking a new position. So what I did was I got to know that market was going to fall, and how drastically it will fall I was not sure. And while looking at the call data and put data, it was it was looking like as if it will go and go to the 17,250 or 17,200. So that was my prediction. How what to save my PE, what I did is I took too much quantity. So my main goal was not to go closer. If market starts pulling up, then I'll get into a lot of loss, right? So what I did is I thought to take 17,600 to be very far only. The main thing was wanted to be closer within 10 delta. So I don't wanted to go below 17,600 C. So what I did is instead of keeping 20 lots, I took a 30 lots, and my average price was around 12 rupees. So 12.95. So this was my 17,600 CE sold. Oops. So this is 30 lots and this is 8.72. So I added this position, right, and I hedged with 17,700, that is here, with 4 rupees. So I did this one to make sure that my profit increases from 12,000 to 15,000. So that was a major mistake, guys. Try avoiding that. Be happy whatever you are getting. Don't be too much greedy. So I took this new position. It was looking something like this. It was all good. It was all good till 2 o'clock. In fact, 1 o'clock, which is that 11:30. Okay, yeah, sorry. So it was all good till 1 or 12 o'clock. And the main drama started from here to 11 o'clock. If you see it, and I was not in front of the system at this time. When I came, I saw it was here. It had already rallied somewhere at this point. 101 points it took a rally. So this rally, that 15 minutes rally, totally missed it. That moment I came, I was somewhere around 1 o'clock when I saw the market. I holded my position and I saw if market breaks this position. Okay, so what I thought is, okay, if market breaks this, then let's exit. So it broke this day's high. What I did is instead I I had taken this position, C and P. Okay, so this one C which I had taken. Let me check for how much I sold that. So I booked a loss in this one, 17,600 and 17,000. So the moment when I was booking it, this went to 18 rupees, and this went to 6 rupees. So see, so I booked loss here. So 17,700, I exited my trade with loss of 18 rupees. It was 18 rupees when I exited. So 10 rupees was my loss. So that too with 1500 quantity. So that took most of our profit, guys. A big mistake I made. I shouldn't have exited. I should have hold it for at least another 15 to 30 minutes. Then the market started falling, but I did this mistake. Please avoid doing that. Hold for 15-20 minutes. Don't exit in hurry burry looking at the losses. Okay. So at this moment, why I exited was I was around 5000 profit. From 5000, my loss piled up to minus 5000. So altogether 10,000 it was. So I thought, okay, it's since we have lose 10,000, it is for us time to square of position, because that is the limit, or that is my capacity to lose, and which I can earn in the next expiry, right? That is my capacity. That is how I manage my risk. If something goes beyond 10,000, then I'll close my trade for that week. I'll not do any trading, and I'll look for next week trade. So that's my strategy to do manage the money. So what I did here is it reached, I was almost like 10,000, running 10,000 loss. So I booked here my position at 17,600, modify. I booked it this one, and 17,700. When I exited, it was 6.55. Okay, 6.55. Okay guys, so this was my chart. So we were at this time, so I exited this position, and you can see when I exited my position over here, it was somewhere around, it was running 2945. Later on, what I did is I hold it for say, like, I can show you my order history here, so that you guys can get to know what all I did it. So as I already said you guys, at 15,000 or 1,500 I exited at 18 rupees, and 17,700 I exited at 6 rupees 55 paisa. So I hold it for at least, say, close to 1 hour. So close to 1 hour I hold it. I'm sorry guys, not 1 hour. So I just hold it for a couple of minutes. So I exited here around 52. Then what I thought was, okay, if market may go from here a little bit higher, so if it goes higher, then this 1,500 quantity will become too much to me. What I did is I went and shifted my position back to 1,000 quantity. At this moment, why I did this was, it was around 1256. If you see, look at the chart, it was having very good resistance. 1256, it was somewhere here. Yeah. So yes, when I saw this red color candle, then I thought, okay, it's a pure rejection, and I took off 1,000 quantity. There was one more reason for me to take this tweeters. If you check here in the 15 minutes, here there was a clear rejection. If you draw a trend line from here, all right. So this was the 1256 candle somewhere. I think so. Okay. Yeah. So the main reason for this was, when I checked, this was a breakdown. Okay. So this was a breakdown, this was the retracement, and if you see here 1256, this candle, so I felt like market will definitely start coming down, and it did it. So it came down. So but this 15-minute candle I should have seen before I book loss on 1,500 quantity. Nonetheless, did not waited much time. When I saw this, I could clearly realize that it is a breakdown, it is a retracement, and Nifty has a clear downtrend now. So Nifty looks like it is gonna come easily to this levels. I'm expecting Nifty to come back in the future days till 17,200. So this is the level which I am guessing next it will come down. not this expiry, in the future expiry. So we will target next time a bear spreadsheet. Okay, well guys, let's go and do what I did it now. So here if you go, then what I did is around 11:50, around 12:56, right? Yeah, around 12:56 what I did is I took two more position, 17,000, that is 17,600 and 17,700, 17,600 and 17,700. So 17,600 is here. I sold this, okay, at 11 rupees. Okay, but this time I did only for 20 quantities at this position, and I hedged that one with 17,100, 17,700. Okay, I hedged this one with average price, it says 4.67, but I need to check the price which I actually shorted, right? This is too many things. Let me go and take the average price. That looks better. So here what I did is I took 20 quantity and the average price was 4.67 at this position. Okay traders, if you see, I again maintain my graph. So you see this one, right? So I maintain my graph, and now as you see, I'm in profit. I came back into the profit. So at one moment it was 5,000 loss, then after that I recovered that loss and I ended up in the 5,355. So that is my overall profit guys, in this weekly expiry. So really not that great to me. So I did a lot of mistakes. I should have waited. I did some 1,500 quantities shorting, so that is also was not advisable. So I should have seen that move. It gave really very big move. So that unexpected move crashed my all profit. Nevertheless, if I get 5,000, I should hold on. At least I got 50% of my capability of getting weekly expiry profits. Let's keep this as a lesson and look forward to gain some more from the market. I'll be sharing my videos regularly on this channel. You can see my weekly trades and then learn from that. Okay guys, that's all I have for today. Let's see how this will end up in our expiry day. So I'll be putting up new trade for the next week. Mostly I'm thinking to book this profit tomorrow. I'll put a new trade tomorrow itself for the next week expiry. So please stay tuned on this channel. You guys will get to know about all my updates. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.